Hey guys, what's up? Doing a review today over Colgate Total Advanced Deep Clean. Basically a miracle but accidental find for me. Came across it when I was watching TV probably about 2 weeks ago and decided to make the purchase and just try it out. Before we go any further, y'all know where there's a veterinarian anywhere nearby? Because these puppies are sick. Okay, all jokes aside, that was an icebreaker. If you like cheesy jokes, give me a like down below. Hit that thumbs up button. So let's dive right into this. As I was saying, I was watching TV. I have a weakness for fast food commercials. That's usually the only time I'll act on impulse and purchase something that's new from Burger King or Jack in the Box or something like that. Trying to stay away from that as this channel is supposed to be promoting healthy things. But came across a commercial for this, the Advanced Deep Clean. Now, I have fallen for this before a long time ago, not by commercials, but going through the aisles and seeing toothpaste for whitening or sensitivity, and I've acted on impulse and bought it without doing my own research and looking at reviews. And the sensitivity one did not work. I've tried a couple different of those. I got one for whitening, probably like everybody has at some point or another. Didn't do anything for me, so I kind of got this attitude, that a lot of toothpaste companies basically put a flashy title, throw it on the front, and maybe twist one little thing that may or may not help a tad, and then they go with that. So I was skeptical, but I suffer from gingivitis, and it's been something I've had for a long time, which is kind of an inflammation around the gum line, results in receding gum line, bleeding when you brush, and it's kind of a collection of bacteria. I floss every day, I brush every day, so it's not as bad as it could be, and it's gotten a little better in the past couple years from persistent cleaning and flossing, which is very important, by the way. You need to floss every single day. It can also actually help you prevent heart disease. So I decided I would buy this and give it a shot. So I was like, maybe it'll help me, maybe it won't, and I went ahead and took that risk. So the next time that we needed toothpaste, when me and my wife went to the store, I went ahead and grabbed it. So the first day that I used it, of course it's not going to help. You're not going to notice much of a difference, right, the first time you use it, because it hasn't gotten to, work its magic on your mouth. So I brushed my teeth, spit out blood, whatever. At night, brushed my teeth again. There's probably about half as much blood as there usually is, and I didn't want to, look too much into it. I didn't want to, overreact. I was like, whatever, okay. Sometimes I don't spill as much blood. The very next morning, whenever I used it, literally probably 95% of the blood was gone whenever I would spit. So I was like, okay, maybe we're on, maybe we got something here. Maybe something I can actually hold on to and use, and maybe it's working on my gum line. Maybe it's actually deep cleaning it like it suggests on the bottle. Go figure. And then ever since then, I just really do not see any red in my toothpaste whenever I spit it out. So as far as I'm concerned, the past 2 weeks, this has been working for me. So I do reviews on this, only things that are going to better your lives, health product, related kind of things, protein shakes and hygiene products and stuff like that. I'm going to probably do workout equipment eventually. But it's only something that's going to better you and something that I use. So I don't want you to think I'm just trying to throw something on here real quick. It's not like that. I'll only do a review over something that I've used and I've found to be effective and to work on my life, because I want to give that back to you guys. That's, life and recovery is so much more than just about addiction and health. It's how to better yourself, better your life. Hygiene's included in that, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and read you what is on the bottle. Just do a full review here. I'm not going to shortchange you. It's Colgate Anti-Cavity Fluoride and Anti-Gingivitis Toothpaste, which is really good. So it works against gingivitis. Extra clean, total. Advanced deep clean. All right, for an extra clean and healthy mouth. All right, I'm sold. On the side here, it has check marks. It has cavities, plaque, gingivitis, enamel, tartar, breath, and whitens. All right. And I don't know about all the others, but I know it has worked some magic on my gingivitis and my bleeding gums. So let's take a look at the back. The active ingredients. The active one, sodium fluoride, of course, for anti-cavity. And excuse me if I pronounce this wrong, but this is the one that acts against the anti-gingivitis, which is, I guess, what's working for me. Triclosan, I hope I'm saying that right, 0.3%. So the uses aids in prevention of cavities, plaque, and gingivitis. All right. Of course, it's got a warning here: keep out of reach of children under 6 years of age. Contact a poison control center if they get a hold of it. Ask a dentist before you use this if you have bleeding or redness lasting more than 2 weeks, pain, swelling, pus, loose teeth, or more spacing between teeth. These may be signs of periodontitis, a serious form of gum disease. All right. Directions. Brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal or at least twice a day, or as directed by a dentist or a physician. Children under 12 years, instruct in good brushing and rinsing habits to minimize swallowing. Children under 6 years old, do not use unless directed by a dentist. Okay? So there's just a rundown of the ingredients. Again, that triclosan, I hope I'm saying that right. Somebody correct me below if I'm not. That's the agent working against gingivitis, for anti-gingivitis. All right, that's one of the active ingredients. So basically, you can get one of these for $3.75 to $4.50, depending on where you go. I am going to leave a link down below, my affiliate link for this, that you can get and check out this actual brand, or you can find out some products that are similar that might, work out for you. I'm going to leave that down below if you want to give that a look or a click or whatever. Also, guys, leave me a comment down below if you have used this, or if you have a different type of toothpaste that's been effective for gingivitis, or if you've come across anything that's amazing for whitening of your teeth or sensitivity. I'd be very interested in hearing that, because I'm trying to really improve all aspects of my life and health and physical health, and I'm really trying to up my dental hygiene game, if that makes any sense. So let me know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you're a first-time viewer, that's awesome. I have way more than just reviews. I will put a playlist of my reviews up there, but I have tons more, whether you're struggling with addictions, if you just have any personal bad habits that you want to get rid of, if you have stress problems, anxiety, panic disorder, depression, hypochondria. I do all kinds of videos on that, guys. So be sure to give my channel a look over, and I hope you guys have a good one, all right? Thanks.